As far as the sailing ahead, I think that the topic of self-driving basically has three pieces to it. One is the problem. Humans are bad drivers, and disappointing to report 40,000 plus people lose their lives in auto accidents. Second is the tech. We're not there yet. Elon thinks we're there by the end of the year, which means we're probably a few years away. And then there's the political piece to the topic, and that's what that's the pressure point today. And this political piece is ripe for amplification because as politicians, many of them are content creators, and they want to build a narrative around their views that get people to move into action. And self-driving cars are one of those polarizing topics. And
Tesla has been in the news in the last few months, with several analysts and stock experts sharing their expectations on stock performance. For a company that has outperformed several analyst predictions, Tesla most definitely has a bright future. Considering the many actions by the EV company to boost its stock price, Tesla may reach even bigger milestones than expected. It's no joke. Tesla stock has currently been on a rather downward trend lately, and some investors may have even sold their shares. This is expected, and very much understandable since the goal of investing is to make profits. However, in this video we're going to share a very important topic with you: why we think Tesla stock could go up to $270 soon. You see, Tesla might not be the best when it comes to the stock market right now, judging by its price, and it may not even be the best stock to hold for the short term. But in the longer term, it's going to be a game changer. It's going to be nothing like anyone has ever seen before. Let's dive into today's topic.
What do you think will drive this market? I mean, overall, I know you're watching inflation. Tell me more about investors and what they should be focusing on between now and the end of the year.
Again, this is not a set it and forget it market. In fact, if you saw last few months, since the July CPI report reading, which was the June reading, we saw a market shift. So if you just have an autopilot on your 401k or your retirement account or even just your investment account, and you thought technology is going to take you, the next 6 months moving forward, you're not doing well as you could have, because it's all about rebalancing. By that I mean energy is now the leader, and it's providing a lot of value. If you look at the energy sector, over 100% of the stocks in the energy sector are above their 200-day moving average. Again, another technical sort of buying signal. So we've reallocated to energy. We still like technology, but it's one of those it's not a set it, forget it. It's being proactive and sort of pick and choose sectors that will be sort of the next leg up in the markets as markets sort of broaden out and play catch up, as we're seeing.
If you remember the comments on American fund manager and Tesla investor Ron Barron sometime last year, then you're going to know that he's revealed some pretty crazy long-term predictions for Tesla. Barron is the CEO of Barron Capital Management and has disclosed his company has made about 20 times returns on its $380 million investment in Tesla. According to him, Barron Capital Management has been a Tesla investor since 2014, at a time when Tesla stock was going for $40 per share, and has made about $6 billion in profit since then. Barron said that he's a big fan of Tesla, and this is very obvious based on his many bullish predictions on the stock. Also, Tesla is among his company's top 10 holdings. For stock experts like this to maintain a bullish perception of Tesla, then this goes on to prove that it's no ordinary company. And the moment investors understand this, they can start making better decisions on their investments. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. There are a ton of reasons why investors continue to see Tesla as a profitable investment. Over the past years, the EV maker has continuously ramped up its car production. To date, Tesla has produced millions of electric vehicles, crossing a milestone that most of its competitors can only dare to dream of. The thing is, it's safe to invest in companies that can grow much faster than the economy and are able to stand in front of strong market challenges. And judging by Tesla's market history, these are qualities that have actually been best to describe the EV company. Little wonder seasoned investors are keen on investing in the automaker. For them, Tesla seems to go beyond its current price performance, and it's more of the long term. As we explore the various reasons why Tesla stock will go up in the coming weeks, keep in mind that volatility remains a constant factor in investments, and Tesla is definitely not immune to it. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we do, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Owing to his Barron's positive expectations on Tesla, it is believed that the stock expert not only sees Tesla as a high-ranking EV company, but one with positive potentials to dominate the EV industry and then rake in huge returns for its investors. He even gave a price prediction for Tesla stock in the next 10 years. While speaking in the interview, Barron said that investors are likely to make 3 to 5 times their investment in Tesla 10 years from now. He added that the automaker may well be the largest company in the world at that time. Considering Barron's years of experience with investing, his predictions are to a large extent valid. And also remember that Tesla is already one of the most valuable companies in the world. And with more years of continuous growth, it may actually reach Barron's predicted milestone. This is how it's going to happen. Aside from Tesla's production and sales of electric vehicles, the company has also diversified into several other businesses like solar products, energy storage solutions, and batteries. It's also investing in AI and autonomous driving. All of these businesses will form the basis of Tesla's valuation in the years to come. Although, like other EV companies, Tesla has had its challenges, especially in the complex supply chain environment, its overall valuation as a company remains unchanged. Factors like inflation, production challenges are, no doubt, major drawbacks to the company's finances. However, they do not appear to be so much of an issue for long-term investors. Bullish Tesla investors are less bothered about the news. They invest in business, not in stocks, and so they look at a company's growth prospects rather than its value, especially when critical fundamentals are not factored in. As an investor, competitive advantage is one important factor to look out for when choosing a company to invest in. How a company operates and what makes it difficult for other people when it comes to competing with them. This is a vital indicator of future potential. While a lot of investors understand what a growth company is, not everyone's got a good grasp on the competitive advantages. For Tesla, its competitive advantage is in its culture of rapid innovation, and this is evident in the recent updates on expected projects. Tesla has the experience of making not just electric vehicles, but battery ones as well. And this sets it in a position to achieve incredible projects in future and eventually make dominating moves towards conquering the EV industry. Likewise, Tesla's FSD feature can further increase its consumer base and sales in the future. With the global increase in technological advancements, more people are likely to opt for options that make daily activities a lot easier, and Tesla's full self-driving feature makes driving safer and less stressful. This is something EV owners are likely to prioritize now and even in years to come. Factors like this are and will be major contributors to the scale of Tesla's electric vehicles in the years to come. And if all goes as planned, Tesla can meet its financial goals and consequently increase its stock valuation. What do you think? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about Tesla, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.